This is great. Recording. Okay, guys. Good evening, and I believe everyone can see the screen now. Let's check. Can you guys see the chat? Okay. Yes, this session will be recorded and awesome. So, okay, good. So I'm going to start the session. Okay, all of you guys are ready? Let's start the session. Okay, very good evening and welcome to the presentation, the webinar session where my name is Parthiban and I'm the presentation guru. I'm the trader and the trainer in the LTC Sundrayaman and UBS Academy. And I was a fund manager and I do be a keynote speaker on a crypto talks and I'm a market analyst. So now, those who are aware now, thank you for attending this webinar. And I believe some of you guys, probably this is a night over there. In Malaysia, it's about 9 p.m. And I believe in Pakistan, you guys just after your work, you're coming, just reaching home to attend the webinar. And probably this might be early morning for some of you guys. So those who took the trouble, I would like to thank everyone for attending this webinar. Now, usually if you see every presentation, every webinar they have these disclaimers that do not try this at home, where it's just for education purpose, everything. Now, I would not do that because whatever I'm sharing here is purely a live experience, live trading experience on our MT4 in my students' live account. So this is a real, genuine thing. So I'm being very transparent on this webinar that many traders out there are not experiencing these things. So that's the reason I'm sharing this, and everything's a live thing. So you can see, I'll prove all of that. Okay. Now let's start the. Okay. Now before we begin, just want to make. There's a lot of people are still attending, so they are just asking me, Parthiban, can you wait another 1 or 2 minutes? So meanwhile, we wait for this. I just want to speak with you guys that let's understand the audience. How many of you guys are experienced traders? Can I see that conversation? Wait, hold on. Okay. Thank you to you, bro. How many of you guys are experienced traders? How long you guys are in the trading industry? Can you guys comment on the chat? Anyone new or anyone 2 years, 3 years, 3 weeks? Okay, that's interesting. 12 years, that's very expensive. Experienced trader, 3 years. Okay, awesome. 4 years. Okay. Okay, 3 years. Okay. Awesome. 10 years. That's an amazing experience, bro. Good. 10 years, 10 years. Wow. 12 years, 1 year, 6 years. Wow. This is going to be an awesome session. Awesome. Stock 20 years, FOREX few months. Awesome, bro. Awesome, great. Okay, let's begin the session. Okay, So now I'm going to make a very bold let me make a bold promise that this session, it's going to be a very valuable session, and I'm going to add so much value. We say all the while, I've coached more than 2,000 people over the past 5 years, from young as 18, 17 years old to 70 years old clients, and these are the experiences that they're going through in my classes. Okay, so I can assure something that this session could be very valuable, and I want you guys to be very relaxed and open-minded that there would not be anything will be sold here or anything, because you're very cautious and some defensive things. Be relaxed. I'm going to add so much value. I'm going to share a lot of experiences, and at the end, what I want to do is, if I really add so much value, I'm going to share you a program which is going to continue the value adding throughout the year, which is going to be bringing you to the next level, bringing you to bring you to the next profitable trading zone. Okay, so be relaxed. Take down as much notes as you can. I'm going to start the session now. Now, this session's for whom? If you're a person who are in a very stable job, where you're like, you're having a very good stable job and you're looking something long term where you want to pick up a new skill, this webinar is for you. And if you're a person like just 17, 18 years old and you want to build another skill where probably degree or diploma is a good foundation for you, where everyone is taking the road, where you want to build another skill which can literally sustain your profession's income, then this webinar is for you. If you're a person like probably 40, 50 years old, where you already have a very stable job, committed, you have investment, 3-4 houses, and you're having a very balanced life, and you feel like, okay, I think I need some security. Let's say, what if I get retrenched in future because now the situation is getting bad? I want to pick up a skill. What should I focus on? Then this webinar is for you. And if you're a person like Parthiban, I've tried work for my company 20 years, 15 years. I'm tired of working. I want to quit my job. Then you will pick up something from this webinar, and this webinar is for you. And if you're a housewife, probably you want to pick up something, you want to focus on having some small pocket money for yourself, and you want to provide a better life for your kids, for your husband, and for yourself, and this session is for you. And probably some of you guys like always work on a computer, where IT or some other industry, where you feel like, since I'm using PC computer more than like 12 hours, 10 hours, why don't I focus on trading where I can make money while I'm focusing on this? Then this session is for you. Okay, now if I am going to guide those who are watching this, if you're saying, yes, Pratibha, I am the person, I'm going to guide you how to make 50 USD to 1000 USD a month on a part-time basis. It's not like you be full-time and quit a job and then jump into Forex trading, earn this money. How can I earn $50 to $1,000 on a monthly basis consistently throughout the next 12 months, 2020? I'm going to design this webinar for you. So let's get ready. So what you'll be earning and learning right after this webinar is, immediately you'll be avoiding 80% of your stop loss hunting will be stopped. So you will understand why the stop loss hunting is taking place. Second, you'll be having a better clarity during a trading. Third, your confidence level will increase, because I'm going to share a lot of things during the webinar, and you should be able to see immediate result. Okay, now if you guys see, those who know me, I think most of you guys know me. I rarely do the webinar. Usually it's an offline session where you can see this is the team, my classes, my boot camp, everything's over here. Now, can you guys hear me? Just comment on the chat box. Can you guys hear me? Just want to check. Yes, awesome. Good, good, good. Okay. Now, if you see rally, like usually it's an offline session where 2 months back I went online, and a lot of students are learning from me online, where from India, from Pakistan, from Singapore, and a few other countries. So the knowledge is being transferred throughout the world through online. So I feel like, hey, yeah, this is so amazing. There's a lot of people are struggling out there with this knowledge. They should be able to be a very profitable trader. And if you see on the right hand side, this is one of the events that I was the guest speaker. So I was talking on the price action. And those who don't know about me, let me explain to you guys a short brief about myself. I was not, I did not study for Forex and become a Forex trader or fund manager. What was my journey? I started, can you identify me? This is me, the side, the left, this is me. And in this picture, I was underwater. I actually studied for aquatic science, which people call marine science, in Unimas, Kuching. That was in 2010, yeah. So how my humble journey started in Forex is, I started by accident, where one of my junior introduces to me that participant, there's something called Forex trading, where you can make huge money, fast money. I was very enterprising in the university time, where I feel like while I'm studying my degree, I want to acquire skill. I want to be a I want to be a rich guy when I was retiring. So when I have this kind of thoughts, so what I did was, I and my junior friend, we ventured into Forex trading with a 60,000 ringgit. That was a big money back then, because I was doing some networking and I had some saving. So we started. The funny part was, we don't know what was this currency, XAU USD back then. So I thought it's a country's currency. So that was my knowledge, very shallow knowledge. So what happened during that time? US government was printing money, and which they call quantitative easing. That was close to $100 billion was injecting in the system, monetary system. So literally all the commodities was going higher and higher every day. So I was like, I don't know that. So we started every morning before I go to my class. Both of us will enter a trade 0.1 volume, 1 or 2 trade, and we'll leave it open. Literally no stop loss, nothing. And evening 5:36, once we're back from our class, we'll see the account. Every day consistently we will be seeing about $250 to 300 USD on a daily basis. Back then 1 USD was 3 ringgit Malaysia. So literally I was making about 1,000 ringgit every day. And the beginner's luck did not stop in 1 or 2 weeks. It actually continued for 3 months. And the amazing part was, our 60,000 become 160,000 in 3 months. And I can see that I'm becoming a millionaire. The path was so clear. Everything was so great. One fine morning, European Central Bank was selling their assets, gold, I think about 10,000 ounces of gold, for bailing out Greece, because Greece was in debt. So what happened was, gold price from 1,800 something dropped from 2,500 USD within a day. So what happened was, our 160,000 USD ringgit become almost 20,000. And that point, literally, I'm shocked, because I don't know what's happening in the market. How come my money is reducing, and I don't know how to cut loss or stop the losses. Literally, the entire reality changed. I feel so stressed out, because the money and all the profit is already in the floating loss. So this point, we at this point, I really prayed hard. I really, literally, we prayed, really prayed very hard so the market will recover. Lucky, the market actually did recover from 20,000 equity. It rise back to 150,000, and the greed kicks in. I was expecting the price to shoot up further high, but what happened is the price dropped and account burst. Guys, I believe, because I'm in the industry more than 10 years, I can say that every single trader that I've met have gone through this, including yourself. If you are at this exact same low point where all your money, hard-earned money, first hard-earned money, and your profits, if you have given away to the market, where market gave you and you don't know how to sustain it, keep it, and you give it back to the market, I understand the pain point because I was there and I was almost giving up. And what was the amazing thing is I managed to speak to a person during that low point where this guy asked me, guys, what is your age? He asked me. I said 23. Can you make under 60,000 at the age of 26, 23? I said no. That was like, but I made that much of money, but I did not withdraw. No. He asked me, you know there's a potential to earn so much of money in short period of time because of the industry. Try to look in a different perspective where the potential is there, you lose because you don't know how to handle the market. Yes, I said I agreed. Learn, identify what was the mistake, then you can avoid it. So then what happened is I started to learn, and now certainly 10 years ago and now I'm in a better positions, I'm in a better status in the trading industry, but I can understand that I or most of the people thinks that success comes easy and it's just a straight road. And now I understand that success wasn't a straight road. There was a lot of turning around. There's a lot of broken paths where you have to go through all that in order to achieve the end result. And if you're at this stage where, because I saw just now a lot of people are saying that you are 2 years, 5 years, 3 weeks in the industry, probably your experience is amazing experience. Some of you guys are having a bad experience. At early stage, everything seems to be not working. If you experience this, let me share with you the Chinese bamboo tree. Have you guys heard of Chinese bamboo tree story? First 4 years, probably you don't see any growth on the bamboo tree, but it builds a strong root. And after the 5th year, it will grow 90 feet tall. Now, I'm sharing this to inspire you that no matter what stage you are or what you're going through in the industry, trading industry, this is a lucrative industry. All you need to know is there's few puzzles which you're not really understand yet, which I want to share in this webinar, where I want you guys to understand that this is amazing industry and you should be able to achieve anything. Now, I'm going to share my personal experience. In Malaysia, if you work as if you start your career as a degree holder, for 30 years as an employee, probably your EPF fund, your retirement fund, you might have about 400 to 450,000 or 500,000 ringgit after 30 years. And monthly salary for degree holder, the starting was 2,500, 3,000 ringgit. And I'm going to share this to you that why I'm sharing. As a Forex trader, you can earn so much more than that. I'm sharing this because I want to inspire all of you guys that this industry is amazing industry. It will change your life. Now, this is one of my bank book which I opened in Kuching when I was studying in university. Since I'm sharing about, I started the industries in university itself. I opened at the Wisma Sabarkas, Kuching. Okay. And this is my name, Parthiban Ilangowan. Okay. Now, I'm going to share one of my bank statement. Just 2 years. Just 2 years in the industry. What the industry have changed. Can you see the calculator on the left-hand side, guys? Anyone can see the calculator? Okay, so now okay, now okay, it's okay, just see the screen. This is the printed of scan copy of my bank statement. A lot of people ask me, Parthiban, can I quit my job and become a full-time trader? Can I get monthly salary of 10,000 ringgit or 2,000 USD? So now my proof, I don't want to explain to you theory. I'm a full-time trader. Let me show you something. You can't get a consistent income from currency trading, but what you must do is you can have a quarterly withdrawal. This is not employment where monthly at the end of the month you get a salary, but what you can get is you can get a big sum on quarterly basis, because there'll be some weeks you're performing, some weeks market will not be giving any opportunity. So during this period, what you can do is when the market is not giving any opportunity, stay out of the market, and when market is giving opportunity, you make money, you collect, and you withdraw. Now, if you see September 2016, first withdrawal was 60,000, 28,000, then the withdrawal dropped to 5,915, then 44,000 is close to $10,000, and then there was no withdrawal 1 month, and then there was 83,000. There was no withdrawal 2 months, another 82,000, and there was no withdrawal. Oh, there was immediately in January there was a 35,000. After 2 months, 12,000. After 2 months, or next month, 5,000, 4,300. So it's close to 10,000 ringgit. And there was a withdrawal of 6,500, 4,000, 18,000, 11,000. If I calculate all this, it comes to almost 400,000 in 2 years. So this is the amazing part where I'm sharing this to inspire you that this 400,000 which you're going to be having an EPF fund is probably after 30 years down the road if you're working as an employee. What you can do is use your employment as a solid, as a savior, where while you're working, try to build a skill which can literally substitute or replace your current active earning. So as a trader, probably now you're losing money, but once you master the price action and understand the market very well, probably might take 3 years, 5 years down the road. But after that, whatever losses will be recovered so much faster. This is the truth, and this is the proof that I can share with you to inspire you guys, since today is the 2020 first day, where surely it'll be a very motivational for many of you guys. Now, guys, after 10 years of experience, I discovered many things in Outway. I'm creating these sessions so that you will reap the maximum benefit. So let's get ready. Let me ask this question. Are you tired of losing money in Forex? If yes, comment below the chat box. Are you tired of making little profit? If I were to share you the strategies on how to minimize your losses and get higher profit, do you want to know? Do you want to know? Yes, good. Okay, let's start. Secret number 1. Misunderstanding behind the concept. A lot of people, beginners who start, okay, let me draw. A lot of people thinks that buy at support, where this is support and resistance. So they will teach you buy low, sell high. If you're still a newcomer in this industry where you think, oh, support resistance works very well, then you're going to lose money consistently in the marketplace. So what you can see in your real experience, where once you see market moves like this, when you start placing a buy order, somewhat the market drop further down. and then it looks like it's coming up. Once you place another buy order, it drops further down. Have you experienced this? If yes, watch this video where what I've done is opposite to buy low, sell high. Let's watch this video. Can you guys hear the voice? No voice. Wait, hold on. Can you guys hear? Video, no sound. How about now? This is my live account. So I just took a trade in gold. I'm just gonna update you guys that I took a position somewhere here, so waited the trade for like 15 minutes, then an impulsive drop, and I'm waiting for the market to close below this line. Then I'll just break even my trade and grow my profit. Guys, look at this. At this juncture, at this point, is the price low or high compared to the entire price action movement? So this is actually considered low price, and this is the high price. So a lot of traders will be waiting for the price to come here, which is high. But this at this level is a low. So what I am doing now is I'm actually going to clear the misunderstanding behind the concept buy low, sell high. A lot of people think high is this is the high and low is this the low. Now look at the reality now, and look. Well, let's watch the video. Then you'll understand. I am selling at the lowest price at the moment. Now I got a profit of $96, close to $100 plus. So if it drop another $10, $20, it's going to be a good profit. I was checking gold that sold here. Can you see I sold last night? The stop losses over here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 risk reward trade. Literally I double and 150% profit in one single trade. This is live account, and only one word I can say, this is madness. You only can do it. Hey guys, I'm having a coffee now by 8:45 a.m. Look at this madness. It's simply crazy. Market is just bleeding down and then down and then down. Solia is just dropping. A lot of people say, "Party, but close your trade." I say, am I crazy to close my trade now? It's going favor to me. Why do I need to close? It's just going favor to me. It's just simply. Guys, now look at this point. I would like to highlight this. I sold over here. Now the current price over here. Now the question is, did I sell at the highest price or lowest price compared to the current price? This is the current price. Current price. Okay, and this is sell area. I actually sold at the high price. This is high, and now the current price over here. Literally, the market have dropped from here to this level. Now, when I look back the market from this A point back, I sold at the highest price. Now, the real concept is you cannot buy low or sell high. When you buy low, probably the market is doing a correction here. You only can decide whether this is low or not right after the market creates a new high. So once price create new high, then you have sold, you have bought at a low price. So when we buy or when you sell, literally the reality is against our belief system. What is my belief system when I sold? Literally I was selling at the lowest price. But after the 24 hours, or sorry, 12 hours, the price really dropped further down, then I sold at a high price. This is the concept. So a lot of people misunderstanding this because a lot of traders wants to see that whether the price is really low, then really they buy. But if the price is dropping so low, that means a lot of sellers in the marketplace. This is the concept that I want to clear with you guys. Then the second opportunity, the second secret. Secret is the misunderstanding behind the concept stop loss hunting. A lot of traders have gone through this experience where probably the price moves like this, probably in the Asian time, market form a very clear support resistance zone and support zone. And all of a sudden, price, once you see a good support area, once you place a buy order, right after you buy, price goes up a bit higher, and then it will go and do all the stop loss hunting because probably you'll be placing a stop loss somewhere here. Somehow the market knows where you're placing your stop loss. Right after you hit the stop loss, price move high. Have you experienced this? Now, why is this happening? You might be thinking the broker's looking at your trade 24 hours. No, it's not broker looking at your trade or not. There's something called order flow absorption. What is order flow absorption? A lot of traders now, let me explain to you guys this. Let me change the color. Okay. If you can, as a retailer, if you can see this is a very good buy area. Good buy area. As an institutional traders, they also do see this as a good buy area. You might be entering 0.01, 0.1, or one lot, or free lot. All these small orders can be absorbed in the market. But as the institutional traders, when they want to place the orders, probably they want to place 1,000 lot. So when they place 1,000 lot, there must be a buyer and must be a seller match their orders. Then only the orders can trigger. So when the institutional traders decided to buy for 1,000 lot, there won't be a sellers who are willing to sell at that price. So what these institutional traders will be doing is, those who went in early, those who bought early, their stop loss, they will see where is their stop loss. Probably they placed it over here, over here, over here. So they'll be using their money to bring the price lower and lower, lower, lower. As the price being lower and lower, those who are trading short term will be thinking this is a downtrend where it's already broke the support. A lot of traders will be start selling. So this create a short-term downtrend. On top of that, those who bought earlier, their stop loss would be taken, hit their stop loss. When their stop loss is being taken, they bought and their stop loss taken, that means a sell trade is triggered. A lot of people will be exiting the market, and when they exiting, the institutional traders will be entering the market. So they will be placing the orders and the price will go higher and higher. So this is the order absorption, which a lot of people misunderstand that broker is hunting a stop loss. Now I want you to watch this video. This is one of my students who studied from me online coaching, personal coaching. where I'm guiding him is Mr. Prasad Patel. Look at his conversation.
Okay, this conversation is from Mr. Prasad Patel. Now, right after I taught him on a live account, he took my personal coaching for 2 months program where via online coaching I guide people to trade on live account and transform the idea of trading not with double bottom shoulder head shoulder or anything. It's totally different things. So this is one of the trades I took on live account and price really dropped 100 pips. You can check Euro CHF this on 13 December. It really dropped massively. And what happened is, after I taught him the stop loss hunting concept, which I'm about to share with you guys, what he did was amazing. He said, Parthiban, right after I placed my trade, market always hit my stop loss and move favor to me. It really made me frustrated. I'm about to give up. So I said, don't worry, bro, you don't understand the big picture. Now let me show you something. So what, after I taught him the concept, which I'm about to share with you guys, these guys have paid premium price to learn this from me, and I'm going to share this with you guys on this video because I really want to give away a Christmas gift. So right after he learned that, he posted me last night. So last night trade on demo account, testing my understanding about your concept. Could you please review it? After homework, I will gain more accuracy, understand, but about stop loss hunting. Happy to see growth. The way you see the chart have changed. This is the journey to be profitable. So what happened is, after that, he placed his trade somewhere here, not on top, and he saw a good upside. Sorry, yesterday was very busy. I'll do it today. So he has said, you washed my brain and trained my eyes to see the beauty of the chart reading. My book trading rules knowledge conflict with your knowledge, yes, but I tried best way to train my mind and body to look from the pro trader point of view. This is the key point I've learned successfully applied to who works best. Thank you for this positive feeling. Okay, it's not that my knowledge and experience, but it's a different perception, which is different payout. Yes, sure.
So guys, so what I want to share with you guys, how to trade, how to avoid stop loss hunting. Now, a lot of traders will only get to know this probably after a couple of years in the market. Now, what I want you to do is, whenever you see a very clear support resistance like this, you see a very clear support resistance like this, good support, good resistance. Okay, this is my message to you. There'll be, it doesn't mean always there'll be a stop loss hunting take place, where what I want you to do is, do not just rush into this level where you place a big volume, probably one lot. What you can do is, you can start placing a 0. For example, 0.03. And as the price, identify where is the stop loss. General people will be placing stop loss somewhere here, just below the low. Okay. And you identify another data, there'll be another stop loss area. Okay, a lot of people will be placing the stop loss somewhere here, and the next stop loss will be somewhere here. Try to identify first, second, third, 3 level of stop loss, and the real volume will come in at this level. Then really the price will spike up. So what you can do is, on general, don't simply think that the market will move from this level where you place your stop loss at the first level. Instead of that, try to place your stop loss at the third stop loss area, and you try to take advantage at this level and enter more buy order instead of at the first level. Okay, this is the message for me from me to you guys. Now, any questions so far? Those who are in the webinar, so far you guys are following me? If yes, just comment yes, yes. Okay, good. Okay, now secret number 3. Oh, very clear, good. Secret number 3, Guys, trading is not a solo game where you trade only with yourself in the market, where it's actually a team game. It's very important, because why I say it's a team game, because psychology is very, 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 very important. If you feel down, probably after 1 or 2 knocks, you need a team to uplift yourself and to boost yourself. So trading is a team game, and with that proper team, you really can bring your trading to the next level. And I have created a team, and I'm going to share experience which we had on the Genting Island, where with a team, we achieve our goal in a 7 hours trading. Now, just relax yourself, watch this experience I'm going to share. Just watch, let's start.
Guys, like I shared with you guys earlier, I've came with few full-time traders, and we together we were trading what 7-8 hours. So I'm going to show you our target and our result. Okay. Okay. This was our targets. I'm going to start with Logesh. Okay, Logesh.
Hi,
Okay. What was your target today?
I am very happy today. Because I achieved
I am very happy today. I'm very happy today.
very happy because I already achieved my target like almost 200%.
Okay. What?
1000 USD.
1000 USD in about 5-6 hours.
Yeah, 1900 USD.
Equivalent to Malaysia ringgit, how much is that?
Almost 8000.
8,000 ringgit. This is
My life account.
Life account. And are you going to withdraw the money?
Yeah, sure, I will withdraw. So
Yeah.
my
Congratulations,
I
bro.
will start my account.
He target 1000 and he made about 1009. Double. Let me show you guys my account. I targeted about $500. So this was the target that I did. I achieved $600. This is my life account. And Ganesh.
Unfortunately,
Okay. Yes.
I have a $28 loss.
Okay. No worries.
2 days, 1,800.
Today.
Sorry, 1,700 for 2 days. Today, my total collection is
Collection.
2895.
I think you're
2895 today.
okay.
So I fulfill my quota for tomorrow.
I don't believe that. Can you show me your proof?
Okay, this is the result.
Okay,
History.
this is a life account.
Okay, history. Or you can
What's your total profit, sir?
2895.
2.8.
So guys, now if you see, this is an amazing experience. All of us collectively went and traded, we made the money. Now when the market is trending and you have the right team, you should accelerate your volume, because you must ride with the trend and you can be a very profitable trader. This is just one of the examples that we have gone through, and there's a lot of example on my Facebook page, you can see. Okay, now I'm going to the fourth secrets. Is very important. A lot of people think, a Parthiban, how come you can your students make 1,000%, 2,000%, 500%, 300%? And I've shared posts like turning $50 to 500 USD. Don't you think that's risky? A lot of people used to ask that to me. Do you guys have the same question in your mind? If yes, just comment on the chat box. Just want to see what's in your mind. Yes. Okay. Now, this is my statement. Risking 1% is very risky compared to what we are doing. Why am I saying like that? Now, if you see the right hand side, there's a photo which I just got attracted to this. When you're using 2% risk per trade once, I think probably at the age of 46, you can be a good risk manager. Now, why I say 1% is very risky, general concept, general belief system in the trading industry that they will ask us, before that, let me show you what's the conventional traders mindset. Initial capital, they will ask you to invest $10,000 and risk per trade is 1%. And let's say you're taking a trade risk reward 1 to 3, that means you're risking 100 pips and your reward is 300 pips, and your profit will be, if it's move favor to you, your profit will be 3%, which is $300 profit. Now that's conventional. Now what my message to you is, you don't need to put $10,000, you just put $100 instead of $10,000, but you risk 100% of your capital instead of 1%. And your risk reward still same, 1 to 3, and your profit will be $300, but the percentage is 300%. Now, why I'm asking you to do this, because during Swiss capping removal in 2015, I was trading this period. Guys, a lot of people thinks that Pratibha, I know I put $10,000, I'm bigger than the market. The market cannot do anything to me because I have huge fund. A lot of people overconfident. I've seen a lot of traders who thinks through 2 years, 5 years, 6 years in the industry, you think by placing a bigger capital, 50,000, 100,000, you can actually beat the market. Let me tell you the truth. Market is bigger than us, and you don't know what the market can do to you. During the capping removal, Swiss National Bank removed their capping against euro. There was a drop of 7,000 pips spread widening took place during the period. If you have $100,000 capital and you use only 2% of your capital during this period, stop loss would not be taken. Probably 80 or 90% of your capital is wiped off, or even 100%. The next moment you see your capital, you lost your entire money, and probably you will not be able to wake up again from the shock. But what if in the same situation, instead of the $10,000, you deposit $100 and these things took place? You lose your $100, you'll be thinking, thank God I only lost $100. You'll be able to top up again $100 and continue your trading. So this is the biggest advantage that I teach my students, where you don't need to put big capital. It's not that bigger capital you can take a bigger loss. Why you will take a bigger loss when you can predict the market direction? If you're wrong, make sure you cut loss. Why do you want to allow the losses to grow? So this is the concept which I impose on my students, where it's not what you can do to the market, it's what the market can do to you is very important at the end. So this is the concept which I share with my students, where you don't need to put big $10,000, and any common mistakes that you do or the broker does, the damage is to you. If you only place $100 with a high leverage broker, the profit margin is amazing and the capital and the risk is very little. Okay, so this is secret number 4. And secret number 5, it's literally everyone go through this. Screaming out of the fear. When right after you place a trade, price reverse, price is just, okay, this situation is very interesting, right? It's a real life economic scenario. The price was moving like this and reached to the same level. Very good sell area. We took a sell area, sell, and price spiked higher, about 50 pips. At this point, how my student reacted, and as a mentor who wants to turn my student to be a profitable trader, what did I do? Let me share you the conversation. Now, this conversation is from Mr. Hasham from Pakistan. He's actually a group, price session trading group in Facebook. He has a good big group, I think about 27,000 traders with him. So let's see his conversation.
Hey, hi guys. Now this is important message also. This is from Hasham. So I was teaching him how to take a trade, and this was the live account trade that we took, and I shared with him. What happened was price seems to be like going down from this point, exactly this point, but it wasn't like that. So what happened was price shoot up about 40 pips from there. So what happened is he really freaked out. He's asking, bro, should I close 0 and it's going up? Or wait, good afternoon, how are you? He's being very very polite and say, I'm still holding it, sir, I'm still holding it. Actually, I could reply, but I was seeing his messages, but I just don't want to reply because I want to teach that by replying, I'm not going to reverse the market. I have no capacity to reverse the market. That's the reality. But what I can do is I can manage myself. So what I thought of, okay, let's teach him how to manage himself. Then I sent. Hi bro, I saw your messages. I hope that the time that I took not responding your messages, the market would have teach you a lot of things, because Euro and that it went almost hit your stop loss, probably freak you out to the max, and probably you would have seen about 0.4 but $15-20 floating loss, and then now it's just bleeding. So this is our entry, bro. So you must have faith on your trading, and this is how the outcome. In fact, I took a more sell when the price go higher, so which actually really frightened me. In fact, when I took more sell and it's turning out to be favored to me. That's awesome. So you see, what happened was when the price reversed from here, I took a lot of sell trade on my live account. Then he said, yes, it freaked me out. Thank you, sir. Learn to take advantage, bro. You'd have, because I took an advantage, now I'm in a very good profit. When things are reversing, that means it's giving you a better price. So you must trust, faith, and take your first step.
Bro, that yeah, bro, that was very that's so very stressful, and that was very, I was very worried, and it teaches me a lesson. And in fact, to be very honest, I was about to close those positions, but still I just hold myself. Okay, thank you so much. That was a very big lesson of my career, I think.
So this was the situation. So what happened was, if you see the price, 69.44, but market have moved almost 50 pips from that point. So that when the price reversed, it was not doing anything. It was just freeze and just hoping the price reversed down. So what in the other end, what I did was, there was another entry rule for me at 1.700. So I took a many sell trade at that level. So price was bleeding and made a very good profit on Euro and Z. So when market is reversing, as a trader, you can't reverse the market. But what you can do is you can manage yourself, take advantage.
Guys, this is the message. You can't reverse the market. You can't literally use your superpower to move the market, because we're not institutional traders or big volume. But what we can do is we must manage the little money that we have, 100 USD or 500 USD, 1000 USD, to go into the market to get the to absorb the volatility which happening in the market, favor to us, and then exit with little profit or huge profit. You can't, no point you're taking the big reversal with your hard-earned money. What you must think is, if its market is moving favor to you, ride with the trend, and any little reversal, how you should manage yourself. I think Mr. Asham and my conversation have given you idea. You must have faith, but when the price is reversing, you must have some bullet to take advantage. So you have to manage your money within that perspective. Okay, let me continue the video.
If it's within your area, okay, and this Mr. Asham's Mr. Asham is a very well-known individual in Facebook. Yeah, he's maintaining a price action trading group for price action traders. Those who wants to learn continuously other people's price action strategies, they can join the group. And the reason he's learning from me, in the market there's a lot of a conventional price action trading strategy, like they see confirmation, they use 0.01 strategy. So all this it's very good for you to understand the market in a price action perspective. Now, once you understand, you need a different set of rule, different set of entry rule, different set of money management to really attack the market. So for that, you need a different eyesight. So what I do teach is I'm converting him, I'm training him to be psychologically fit and to be a better trader, profitable trader.
Awesome, guys. So that was a very interactive session where video where I guided him throughout the trade and install the psychology. So this is how we guide our students. Now, secret number 6. I believe you guys know one of my students, Chong Wei. The pain behind the 1000% growth. What people see is nice result, but what is the experience that you go through behind this? So how 1000% is possible? So what, like I mentioned, the secret number 4, where we put 100 USD, we risk our 100 USD 100%, and the result is amazing. So let's see what Chong Wei have to say to us.
So hello guys, this is Josh here. So basically I have traded forex for 4 years, and then I have experienced $25K losses, and then I get to know Mr. Badiban is by attending his preview. When I scroll Facebook, I see the free preview to attend, so I attend for 3rd time, then only I sign up for the course. Okay, so the last strategy I use is using indicator for all the time. For the past 4 year indicator, EA buys and EA still having losses, huge losses. Okay, so I found that Mr. Badiban classes is definitely different from others, is because he's using a method of understanding rather than just memorize everything, because as human beings we can't memorize everything. So he always let us to understand. And until now, I have attended his class since 2017 late, and then until now I have achieved more than what I want, and then I able to use the same method that he's teaching to achieve 5000%. From the starting is 1000%, until now I able to achieve 5000% return just in a single
Guys, if you see over here, deposit is $100 and withdrawal is $5,000. So what is the reality in this? So what Chong Wei is going through, a lot of people misunderstand this concept. You're taking $100 bullet. You're probably the reality is you try to bring the $100 to 1000% or 5000%. Probably you will be losing money, but it's okay to lose $100. Second attempt you lose, third attempt you lose, fourth attempt you made 5000%, or seventh attempt. So it doesn't happen in the first attempt itself. It takes after multiple attempts, and that's very important. So to sustain, to go through this growth, it's a marathon. It's not it's a sprinting where you put first attempt, first $100 or $50, you turn it to be like that. So it's a different ball game, which I see a lot of people misunderstood this. So I feel like obligated to share this with you guys, where my students understand this, they are executing this. Now, if for Chong Wei to execute 5 lot, 10 lot, because this is the market money, so he can do that without any fear. So what is important is not to use your personal money, use the market money to risk and make more money. So that's secret number 6. And secret number 7, those who understand reap the profit, those who don't understand puzzle, don't know what's happening. Now this is Mr. Yuga. I'm very sure that every one of you guys can relate your experience with Mr. Yuga, where he actually was attending my preview for 4 times and was not signing up my course in offline. And I thought, hey bro, why are you coming and then not attending? He said, bro, I got some financial issue. I said, bro, sign up. I know it's good for you. He said, I don't have money. I said, money is not an issue. You pay later, but I want you to sign up now, get benefit. Within 3 months, I think first month, I think you'll be explaining about his experience. He actually made 100 USD, 100 USD into 5,000 USD in 3 months. And let's listen to his video.
Hi, my name is Yuga. I was a property agent and a Grab driver. In the year 2015, I was introduced into Forex industry by one of my friend. I didn't have any knowledge and I was losing money consistently for the first 1 year, and I lost 5,000 USD. That's a big money and I almost want to give up. But then I saw a video in a Facebook posted by Mr. Patiban. His student made $1,800 in a single day, which is like 8,000 ringgit in a day. I was like shocked and I felt like I should meet this guy. So I made a call and I went and met him personally. He told me about his price session boot camp. So I signed up and I attended. He taught me what is keyline, how buyers dominate, how sellers dominate, what is actually happening in the market, why is it uptrend, why is it downtrend, and how to see the banker sign. It's like so easy after attending the price session bootcamp. So simple. So after attending, I've turned my 100 USD into 2000 USD in 10 days. So nothing is impossible if you have the proper knowledge and a good mentor. So that's all. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Harsh.
So that was Yuga, and this is another guy, another trader. His name is Harshan. He's actually, I think, he's 20 years old. Let's see his review.
I'm 21 years old. So I've been trading Forex since I was 14 years old. So far I've lost around 10,000 in FX before attending the course. So the strategy I was using before was wave theory, and all the other strategy I've used. So what I've seen is price action is something new for me. Patiban's teaching and coaching is very different from others, as he really makes you understand fully. Without you not understanding, he will never let go. He will really make you focus and teach you again and again and again until you get it. So after attending his course, the perception of the market changes dramatically, because I could see the market so much more clearly.
Just want to show Arshad just withdraw around 3,200 ringgit. That's a month graduate salary. Graduates probably earn 2,000 ringgit, and if they work for 1 or 2 years, their salary is about 3,000, 3,200. This boy just withdraw 3,200 ringgit in a week, and past couple of weeks his performance is going higher and higher. Let me show you the proof.
Okay, so this is balance. So my deposited was actually 50, but my profit is 900, but because of swap,
Okay.
minus.
So how much you withdraw, bro?
So I took out 800 USD.
Okay.
So my account will have left with 100 USD, so I'll start back again, make another 1,000 USD.
Okay. Bro,
Literally, I made 1,500% in 3 days. These 3 days. So that's all. Thank you.
So even myself, when I watch this, I feel so happy to see this 21 years old boy who took the initiative, who took the trouble to learn, master the skill, and now the skill belongs to them for the rest of life. Even they go any part of the world, they want to continue their studies, they always can trade and benefit from this. Now that's the secret number 7. And another thing that I want to share with you guys, if you see my Facebook page and my YouTube under Price Action Guru, there was a few baby steps that I took where literally we were making minimum 1,000 pips on a weekly basis on a price action. You can watch all my video on YouTube under the name where I call this link. But price action, search for this price session. Price Action Guru in Facebook, YouTube. You'll be able to watch a lot of videos in that. And this is another student where Mr. Tunish. He's one of my students, where I think he's getting a lot of people now.
Hey, hi guys, Dinesh here. I started trading when I was 18, so now I'm 20. So I've been trading like past 2 years. I'm going to share some valuable lessons where 1.5 years I've been losing a lot of money, losing, and the last part of it, I realized that I need to do everything slowly, and I need to give some time to me, because I'm a kind guy where we expect fast result. So once I learned from Mr. Parthiban, I was like, I didn't really master the basic. I would just straight away go to advanced. I was keep on banging on real account. Then I was losing. I was like almost give up. Then Mr. Parthiban said, take some time, be mingle with the chart, let the chart to speak with you. So I was like, okay, I was almost part of gonna give up. So then I said, oh, it's okay, let's give 3 months. For last 3 months, I was giving my time, I was patiently doing the analysis, taking entries, so I can see the result. All my grades now becoming blue. So what I will suggest you guys to do is, please take baby steps. Don't just straight away jump and try to become the master. You guys know that you have to give minimum 10,000 hours to you to master the forex trading. I feel like I already give half of the time. So the other few more years, I think I will become the master of trading. So that's why what I'm suggesting is take baby step, guys. And I'm also capable of teaching and teaching and everything. So that's it, guys. Thank you. If you guys wanna know more updates about me, follow me in these social media links. So I'll be giving more update to you guys. See you guys.
So if you see why I share all this, because they are my students who you can see on my Facebook. They're already posting their live account posts. They are teaching others, guiding others, because I encourage all my students to share their knowledge, because anyone who don't know this should not be losing money, go through the same process that we all gone through. So you don't have to go through that. So now that's the reason I share their testimony, so that it really gives you confidence that even you're not probably at this point, you feel like, Parthiban, I really want to be like Tunesh or Arshan, Yuga, Chongwei, but I'm staying in Pakistan, I'm staying in India. How can I benefit from this? So I will share there something for you guys, great, amazing, waiting for you guys. Now, let me ask you the question again. Are you tired of losing money in Forex? Are you tired of making little profit? If yes, please comment. I want to see the post. Okay, guys. Yes. Wow, sorry, yes. Okay. Now, if I were to share you the strategies on how to minimize your losses and get higher profit, do you want to know? Yes. Now, let Price Action Guru transform you into a profitable trader. This year, 2020, our target is to help you to earn $50 USD to $1,000 USD on average on a monthly basis. Why I say $50 to $1,000? Some of you guys might comes with a different capital. Some of you guys have different capital. Some of you guys have different time and commitment, and some might be free. So the result will be varies. So our Price Action Guru's goals is to help you to earn $50 to $1,000 on average monthly basis. Are you guys ready? Can I share the opportunity? Yes. Okay, come. This is called Forex Journey Blueprint webinar program. I believe a lot of people have messaged me, Parthiban, I want to learn your Price Action Guru, but I'm living in Pakistan, in India, in Singapore. My work schedule is tight. I cannot learn from you at the moment. Can I learn next month or 6 months down the road? Guys, put full stop for all that, because I have a solution for you guys. I'm going to create a webinar program every Monday for next 52 weeks. Whatever I'm teaching my students to turn their 1,000%, 5,000%, whatever I guided Tunesh, Yuga, Songwei, Harshan, and everyone on my Price Action Guru, I'm going to share all my knowledge at this webinar platform every Monday for next 52 weeks for 60 minutes and GMT plus 8 time, 9 to 10 p.m. Now, this webinar is going to have a 3-part. First is the weekly lesson on live market, which is 40 minutes. All the examples which I'll be using is a real life icon, live example move. There's no theory in this webinar program. It's pure, it's a straight jump into the real practical. Second part is the weekly 2 trading opportunities on real market and question answer. Now, I've designed this webinar such a way where I want you to learn. At the same time, I want you to achieve your $50 to $1,000 profits on a monthly basis. No point I give you a signal where you don't understand what's happening. So what I've done is I've created a program where you learn plus you earn money throughout the next 52 weeks, this 2020. So this is the detail and the topics which I'll be covered for next 52 weeks. Just give you an idea, rough idea. It's going to be about 52 webinars. 10 webinars I'm going to cover on what don't work in indicator. A lot of people think Bollinger, moving average, RSI, but you guys don't really understand what's the concept behind the indicator. And sometimes like double bottom, shoulder doesn't work. So I'll be sharing a lot of input on this. Second, order flow creates the exact strategy all my students use to turn $50 to $500, $100 to $5,000. This is the strategy I'm sharing in 5 sessions. And there'll be 25 webinar on a pre-recorded live trading example where how I'm taking a trade, where right after I take the trade, price move against me, what do I do? So all these will give you so much of insights, so much of learning experience, and you can duplicate that in your live account. And fourth is the trading tools and money management elements for next 5 sessions. And the 7th session is the psychology of winning and the mistakes to avoid in trading. So if you add all this, it's about 52 weeks. For next 52 weeks, I'm going to guide you through a webinar. I'm going to give you signals every week, 2 signals minimum on a Monday, where you can take the trade and be a profitable trader. And those who are like, I think I can see the messages, a lot of people are keen. Now, for this January, these are the topics. On 6th January next week, I'm going to teach, the first title is Teach Me How is 1000% ROI is Possible. Second webinar, Teach Me Why Stop Loss Hunting Taking Place at Support Resistance. Third, Teach Me Which Time Frame Best to Trade. Webinar 4, Teach Me Scalping Live to Earn 50 USD. So the next 4 webinar on 6th January, 13th, 20th, and 27th, it's going to be taking place on this. And guys, I want you guys to, I believe you can see this priceactionguru.com webinar. I want you to open a new tab on your Google. Well, let me show you. Okay, wait. I want you to copy this https://priceactionguru.com.webinar. I want you to open on a Google new tab, where if you open a new tab, okay, can you see the screen? It will come to this, okay. So I'm going to copy this and paste in the chat so that you can click. Okay, I just shared the link on the chat box. So I want you guys to open this. Okay. Click there. This program is really shocking, where I'm only giving this at 30 USD on a monthly basis. So you can go in, click, there's something called monthly subscription, $30. And those who feel like a particular, I feel this is amazing where people are paying 1,500 USD to 3,000 USD to learn from me, and I'm guiding you on webinar. And those who are seeing this, you want to grab this opportunity. There's another package, yearly package, where you'll be saving almost $111 on this package. And the best part is I am giving money back guarantee for 30 days. So those who see this, I'm so confident that this will adding so much value. And those who are in the webinar now, take advantage, because money back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Enroll to the yearly program, which is surely will be benefiting from this. This investment will adding so much value because you're not learning theory, you are learning a real practical knowledge and a real life account experiences. So take advantage. And if you are right in front of me, I'll actually will take the authority to force you to sign up, because I know this is good for you. Because this learning curve will bring you to the next profitable state, and you'll be shortening your learning curve. Okay, those are my price session traders who have learned from offline and online. Guys, since you are my student, all you need to do is pay one time 35 USD. You'll be having the entire package only at the 35 USD cost. Okay, guys, so this is going to be adding so much value. I will be seeing you guys on the next webinar on Monday. I'll be guiding you. I feel happy to guide you for the next 52 weeks. See you guys, and I want you to be a profitable trader. Thank you.